Good day, business class of 2020. Today we are going to discuss quality of performance. Quality of performance is the second topic under the module business operations. Remember, we've got two modules that will be written on paper 1, which is business environment and business operations. We have already done the business environments topic, which is the impact of legislation on business, and also the business strategies in term 1. In term 2, we've done last week the business sectors. We have already done on the side of the business operations the human resources function. Now we are busy with quality of performance. This is what we are going to discuss in this term, and we will be done with paper 1. It means after this session, you will be ready to write your exams, your paper 1. We'll start explaining quality. Quality simply means that when the good or a service is able to satisfy a specific need of the customer or the client. There are certain specifications that a product should meet, such as the physical appearance of the product, the reliability, durability, sustainability, and the after sales. After you have bought the product, then you will be able to contact your supplier or your service provider. Control and quality assurance. Between these two, you have to distinguish, as I've explained in one of the slides above that. Here you distinguish, you differentiate between the two. It means you should know the difference between the two. Quality control, it is the inspection of the final product to ensure that it meets the requirements that were set prior the production process took place. With quality assurance, it is carried out during and after the production process. It ensures that every process is aimed to get the product right the first time, meaning that the company is trying to eliminate unnecessary waste of time and resources to maximize profits. Let's move to what we are going to discuss today. It's quality management and quality performance. Quality management will be the tools or the techniques or the strategies or the methods that will be used by the company to improve the quality of the product or the quality of the service that they are rendering. Then with quality performance, it simply means that it's the total performance of each department measured against the specific standards. It means that each and every department, they should work together towards the same goal, which is meeting the best, or providing or producing the best quality or providing the best service ever. So that can be done through a team management, team working, where all the teams will be working together. I hope I'm clear. Are there any questions? You also distinguish here, that is, you differentiate. You might be asked to tabulate this, or you might be asked to differentiate this. Make sure you are able to know the difference between the two. We are going to do the last one, will be the benefits of good quality management system. One of the major benefits of good quality management system is that the company will be saving on time and resources, meaning that these will be used efficiently because of the quality assurance that will be done or that has been done throughout the production process. It means they've managed to minimize unnecessary waste and time. All the workers, they are working together. We also have another one where if the customers are satisfied, that would mean the increase in customer satisfaction will result in increase in the productivity of the company, and it means that the company will be producing in high volumes, which will lower the cost production of the unit. That means the cost per unit will be less due to high volumes or bulk production. And the mission of the vision of the business may be achieved if it was well communicated to the workers. And another thing is that the company will have a competitive advantage over its competitors. It means the customers will stay loyal. It means the company will retain their customers and increase their market share, and they will also improve the image of the business because the company does not have many returns or complaints from the customers. Thank you. So,